Welcome to iSpeak's PowerPoint tips and tricks. Today's module is titled Working with Shapes. Have you ever seen people put a picture on top of a shape? It looks okay, but if you've seen people turn the object into a picture, it looks so much better. Today I'm going to walk you through how to turn any shape into a picture. We start by drawing a shape. I want to show you two tips in this one. I'm going to click on the Insert menu. I'm going to go to Shapes, and I'm going to choose the oval. And I want to draw a perfect circle. I don't know if you've ever struggled with this, trying to draw a perfect shape, but simply hold down the Shift key, and it allows you to keep that shape in perfect proportion. The same goes for any picture that you're trying to keep in perfect proportion. For example, this iSpeak logo here, if I were to stretch it in a different direction, it wouldn't look right. But holding down the Shift key allows me to keep that logo in perfect proportion. Once I've drawn my perfect shape, I'm now going to duplicate that shape. I'm going to select the shape. I'm going to use Control D twice so that I've got 3 shapes on the screen. You could also use Control C and Control V to copy and paste. Once I've got those 3 objects on my screen, my next objective is to get them centered and perfectly distributed. I'm going to select all 3 circles. Select circle 1, hold down the Control key, select circle 2, and then circle 3. Now, following the menu options here on the screen, I'm going to go to Shape Format, click on the Align menu, and I'm going to change the way this menu works by selecting Align to Slide. Next, I'm going to go back to the Align menu, and I'm going to have these perfect circles aligned to the middle of the slide. Finally, I'll go back to the Align menu, and I will distribute them horizontally. Those 3 circles are now perfectly centered and perfectly distributed on the slide. Next, I'm going to turn those shapes into pictures. For convenience sake, I've got the 3 pictures on the slide already. I'll select the first picture, and I'm going to cut her, Control X, so that I've got her on my clipboard. I'll select the first shape, I'll right-click, and I'm going to go down to where it says Format Shape. This is going to open up the menu on the right side of the screen. I'm going to expand the Fill option, select Picture, and then click on Picture Source from the clipboard. That's how I turn that first object into that lady. I'll repeat those steps 2 more times for the man and for the second lady. I'll click on the man, Control X to cut him, select the second circle, choose Picture and Clipboard. Third lady, Control X to cut, circle, Picture, Clipboard. When I'm finished with the picture format window, I will simply close it and click off of that window. And now I've got my 3 shapes that have been converted into pictures. iSpeak offers public speaking and enhanced communication workshops. I invite you to visit our website and click on the Training Solutions option on the menu bar to learn more about all of the sessions that we offer. I also invite you to connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for listening, and we look forward to seeing you in a virtual or instructor-led workshop.